Knock pero inaatake
Yoy,
siya. Ano yun?
gago, in-engage niya si Naid eh. Fucking stupid lap yan, di ba?
Oh.
Heal Aid, please. Hermit, heal him.
Yo, Aid, you wanna
Anak
kill
ko.
them, Aid?
I don't wanna kill them. They engage you first, bro. What the fuck? We are running. They dismounted
Yo.
us, bro.
Oh shit, they trash talking Aid, man. Ready, readies.
Okay, ready. Just fight.
Me in 3, 2, 1. Drop on me. Kill these bitches.
Oh my god!
Kill.
Fuck!
Okay. Okay, kite. Go kite.
Kite,
Southwest,
they have many.
don't go southeast. There's another party there.
We have E, bro. We have E.
10 seconds.
Yeah, we happy.
Yo, come, northwest. Come northwest.
In the choke.
Yeah. We bait them in the choke, man.
Pucha, wala silang alay-alay.
Tangin na Aid, man.
Yo,
Nakinano mo yun, ha?
keep your distance, man. Come on. Inch up.
Report mo sila para mag-ano sila. Mag-fine.
Mag-catch ka ng isa, kahit isa lang.
Oh, sige.
Na-block kami sa golem.
Sige. Sunod lang. Yo, they're fighting, man. Come.
Third party.
Ready. Me, 3.
I'm ready.
Drop on me.
Oh my god, bro!
Nice one! Oh, shit, nice one!
Chase.
Oh my God, bro.
Chase.
Bro,
Keep push.
Kill this.
Push.
Kill inside. No, see, come back. We have
Oh,
inside.
go
We have
back,
inside
go back.
people.
Go back.
Help us. Kill this. Kill him. Yeah, kill him. Just kill him.
Good shit, boys. Good fucking shit. Go loot.
may na mag-loot.
Go loot, guys. Loot everything, guys.
Loot everything.
Loot everything. We don't care.
Okay,
Loot
good job,
everything.
DPS. I love that shit. Mount up fast.
Yes, bro.
Mount up fast.
Bro, I
I
kill
got na-
a lot of them, bro. I kill a lot of them.
Yeah, good shit, man. Good job.
Yun, mataas ang kill
Good job,
bro.
boys.
Okay na
Yeah,
tayo.
oh my god. The
I love it,
DPS
I
so
love
good right there, bro. All DPS. Oh my god.
Help me.
Yo, bad girl.
Help me daw.
Come here. Go northeast, bad girl. Yo, zone in northeast. Oh, they're still fighting. What
Sa
the
green
fuck?
chest, oh. On green chest.
Anong gusto mo?
Patay.
Yo, come. Someone stay in southwest. Cover the other entrance.
Yung
Oh,
ano,
yan,
yung
nadurog
OCOC,
sila.
lagyan mo ng marka ano mo, yung plate mo, di kita makita eh.
Nga pala.
Oh, bigyan mong markman yung sarili mo.
Sige.
Oh my god, the DPS are so good right there. Like literally
Debuff ko
everything.
sakto eh. Sakto debuff ko. Dito, mounted na sila, mount up.
Unli ito, pre.
Oh.
Ay, tangin.
Tangina nyo. Oh, ito gago! Madidismount ko to.
Sige.
Madidismount ko yan.
Kill.
Dismounted.
Patay.
Dismounted.
Ready.
Dismounted. Kill him. Just clap him.
Kill. Yo, living armor.
Oh, nice debuff.
Ay, no. Wala palang living armor to. Sige. Sige, kill lang.
Drop everything on the beach, man.
Habol lang.
Debuff.
They're fucking losing, bro.
Ah, shit. Ano, cleric.
Sige, mamatay na.
Debuff na yan. Debuff.
Good
Patay,
shit,
nice
boys.
one.
Utang ina nyo, mga tanga.
Tanga.
Oh, tangin na nga.
Ina nyo.
Tirahin nyo, no?
Nice one, boys.
Harap.
Nice one. Yo,
Tell me.
Yo, Aid, my bad man. Kung magkaka-conflict man sa inyo, my bad, bro.
Aid, hindi. Aid, kasama kita doon. Aid, dinismount tayo, man.
Oh,
Kaming
sila
dalawa
na
yung
una,
dinismount.
nakita ko.
Yung umatak yung Blood Moon. Yung Blood Moon una umatak, pre.
Oh, man.
Tandaan mo,
Vinod ko rin yun.